Alright guys, so thank you for checking out my channel again. My name is John Anavi Olorere. So today I'm to show you guys how to make $10 per day on WarriorPlus. Yes, how to make at least $10 every day. Now don't get me wrong, I don't misunderstand this. It's not a must to make that $10 every single day. Sometimes it might not be possible as a starter, but later on you might actually be earning over $100 every day. But now what I mean about this headline, making $10 every single day on WarriorPlus, means that you're making at least an average of $300 every single month. So sometimes you make $10, sometimes you make $20, sometimes $50, sometimes just an average of maybe 40, 30, just in between. But when you sum everything on the average, then you should be making at least an average of $300 every single month, which is at least $10 every single day on WarriorPlus. So it's very simple. How you can go about that, it's very simple. What you just need to do is, number one, you need to open an account with them. Yes, so you need to open an account with WarriorPlus.com. So that's the very first thing. Here, I'm going to drop the link under this video. You can see it in the description section, WarriorPlus.com. So you need to open an account with them. So when you open an account with them, there are two things you can do right here. Number one, you can sell anything digital. Yes, I'm not sure about physical products, but at least you can sell digital products. Digital products are products that you can deliver, over the internet. They don't need to, ship anything. You don't need to start, tracking where a product is offline. No, you create a product and then you deliver it on, online over the internet, and it doesn't matter where the person is actually staying, whether whether thousands of kilometers separating you and the customer. This platform, and for many other platforms online, you can sell, digital stores without seeing the person. So right here on WarriorPlus, you can sell products and services. Yes, so it says time is money. So we provide all of the tools necessary to quickly and easily sell and deliver your products instantly to customers worldwide. So you can come here and sell a product. Your product could be an ebook, it could be a training course, video training course, it could be a software, it could be an app, it could be a webinar, it could be any kind of thing you can sell online and get customers. So that's just about that. Number one is selling. Number two is being an affiliate. If you don't have a product you can sell, you don't know how to create a product, or you don't have anything to offer to people, then you can actually go ahead and look for people that have things to sell on this platform. So you contact them and then you request that you want to promote their products, that their products is very great. So you partner with them. So once they approve you to promote their products, you get you get a custom link that you can use to promote and share with your people, share with your friends, share with your customers, share with your subscribers, and then you earn commission per sale. For every sale you make, you earn commission on that particular product. So if you promote the products through your link and then you get about 50 sales, 100 sales, then you'll be getting starting commission. It will be 50%, it will be 70%, and sometimes it could even be 100% on that product. So that's how you can earn at least $10 on every single day on WarriorPlus. Number one is you can sell your products. If you are selling products every week, you are creating new book, creating new training, creating new software, new application, and then you are selling it every week, week in, week out, or you are promoting other people's products as an affiliate, then you can actually reach that goal of $10 every single month, or $300 every single month, or $10 every single day. So that's all about making at least $10 every single day on WarriorPlus. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to do a training on anything, you can ask in the comment section, and I will be glad to show you how things are done if you want to make money online. So my name is John Anavi. Please, I need you to subscribe to my channel. I'm actually trying to add value here so I can get you here over and over and over again. So thank you, and stay safe and be good. Bye bye.